Your cryptocurrency is going to crash big in the next week. Now, for the past 24 hours, all of the top 100 cryptocurrencies have been in the red. They are going down, down, down. Now, how low will your Bitcoin go? And Ethereum, how much can you expect both of the top two cryptos to go down? That is what we're going to take a look at in today's video. But just to be clear, I am still extremely bullish on cryptocurrency because, for example, this headline right here says that billionaire investor Mike Novogratz says that Bitcoin can reach 500,000 in the next 5 years easily. And I agree with him 100%. But in the short term, we could see Bitcoin come down more, Ethereum as well, and the overall crypto market can come down more because we are in a bear market right now. Now, I am going to show you exactly why in the next week we could see a big crash. Now, if this is your first time here, we speak about cryptocurrency, investments, how to become rich every single day. So if you have not yet already, destroy the like button and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Let's get at least 1,000 likes on this video today so more people can see this warning and they can prepare themselves as well. So destroy the like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you join us, and let's keep going. Now, before I tell you how low Bitcoin can go and how low Ethereum can go, which we will cover at the end of this video, I will give you my price targets for the bottom of the bear market. So you want to make sure you watch all the way through. Let me show you why we can go down. What's happening around the world? For example, number one is crypto regulation. You all know what's happening with the SEC and the fact that they're trying to say that most cryptos are securities, and this will be a big negative impact on the overall crypto markets in the short term because investors will be fearful, but in the long term this is good because big money is more comfortable investing in regulated assets. Now, the second big risk around the world is inflation. Just a few days ago, the United Kingdom inflation numbers hit a 40-year high of 9.4% as cost of living there soars and is crazy. If you're in the United Kingdom, you probably know that stuff is just getting out of control. Like, my cousin is over there right now and he's saying that in some places, gas costs up to $8 per gallon, which is crazy. And the Bank of England governor is saying that a 0.5 point interest rate increase is on the table. Now, Australia is also going through inflation concerns. The Central Bank of Australia has been saying that interest rates need to go up higher, that they're way too low still. Now, this is the schedule of the Federal Reserve meeting for the rest of the year. And as you can tell, on July 26th and 27th, so in just 7 days from now, in 1 week from now, they are supposed to meet. And many people expect that the Federal Reserve will increase interest rates by up to 1% in just 1 week from now. So that will have a huge effect on the overall crypto market, stock markets, and much more. Now, why do I believe that the Federal Reserve can increase interest rates by up to 1%? Because the Bank of Canada just a few days ago announced a 1% increase in interest rates as well, the highest in over 24 years. So we could very easily see the Federal Reserve do this exact same move. Now, another big concern that's going around the world is geopolitical tensions. You all know what's happening with Russia and Ukraine, and I hope that we figure it out very soon because we all share this world together. But anyways, right now, Iran is planning to supply Russia with some more weapons, and the United States is saying that, hey, if you do this, we're gonna do something bad, okay? That's what the United States is doing, that's what Iran is doing, and I'm not gonna give you my opinion about what's going on, I'm just presenting to you the facts. So things seem like they're getting worse and not getting better, unfortunately. And also, China is threatening that if Pelosi, this lady right here, which is the House Speaker of the United States, if she goes and visits Taiwan, then we are gonna have a big problem. That's what China said a few days ago, and Pelosi is still planning on visiting Taiwan. So there is a lot of tension there between big powers in the world. Now, COVID is another big concern that's coming up out of the blue, okay? A lot of people seem to have forgotten about COVID, and Usually when you get too comfortable, that's when the risk goes up more. So people are mixing together now more than ever in the past few years. Borders are opening up, restrictions are easing. But for example, Australia just a few days ago has implemented a new work from home strategy to help COVID cases go down. So COVID could also be another big risk. Now honestly, I hate COVID. I wish we could just get rid of it, but unfortunately I believe in the next few months we will probably hear the story of COVID again, and it could come way sooner. It could come in the next few weeks. So all of those reasons lead me to believe that in the next week we could see a big crash. And right now the market is predicting bad things to happen. That's why in the past 24 hours, your top cryptos have been going down a lot. Now, how low can your Bitcoin go? That is what we're gonna take a look at right now, because I saw something extremely interesting, okay? We basically did a 3x from the previous Bitcoin all-time high in 2017 because we hit a high of about 19,000, and then we reached almost 69,000 this past bull run. So that's basically a 3x from our previous all-time high to our new all-time high, right? So if we apply the same concept to the bottom of the market, we will see that, okay, the bottom of the Bitcoin market in 2019 was around 3,200, 3,300. So if we triple that, we will basically see a $10,000 Bitcoin. So that is my price prediction for Bitcoin. That is the absolute bottom, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. We will see about a $10,000 Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people expect that Bitcoin will go down below 10,000. So we will basically, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, we will go down to about $10,000 for Bitcoin. And Ethereum as well is showing almost the exact same trajectory. The previous all-time high for Ethereum was at around 1,400. And we basically did a 3x to reach a high of about 4,600. So it's around a 3x multiple. So if we apply the same principle to Ethereum, from the bottom of the market in 2019, we hit a low of about $80. Okay, so if we do a 3x, we could see about a $300 Ethereum. So in my opinion, Ethereum could go down a lot. Now also, why do I say that about Ethereum? Because of stuff like this, crypto regulation. Many people are expecting Ethereum to be the next big target of the SEC. Yes, the SEC can go after Ethereum and say that Ethereum is a security. So that will be a big risk to the overall crypto market, to Ethereum, to Bitcoin, to a bunch of cryptocurrencies. So that is why I believe in the next week we could see a big crash. And if you learned anything new, if this is your first time here, destroy the like button and subscribe, join us. Now, I am making this video to get all of you to be prepared, okay? You need to see the risks before they take place so you can prepare yourself. So that's why I am making this video. So hopefully all of you have some money on the side and you will use to buy the dip when the dip comes. Because in my opinion, we have not seen the bottom at all yet. So I am not making this video to spread FUD. Me personally, I am gonna buy the dip because cryptocurrency is the future. But in the short term, the people with the big money, the whales, the billionaires will try to get you to sell before the major adoption in the next few years. So I'm not selling, and neither are none of you, okay? You wanna hold good cryptocurrencies for dear life and just buy slowly, okay? At low prices you wanna buy, because this is when you will create true generational wealth. When prices are low, that is when you wanna buy before prices go up. So destroy the like button. Let's get at least 1,000 likes on today's video for this 1 week warning, okay? In 7 days, we could see a big crash in the overall market, and that's just my opinion. It's not financial advice, but from what my homework is showing me that still bad things are to come. But you have to have a good mindset, okay? So me personally, I love these low prices. I want to take advantage of these low prices, and I wish we go down more. So I hope all of you have the same mentality, that you can buy your favorite cryptocurrencies at low prices. So it's like a gift. It's like Christmas came early, you know? So I love you all, and I will see y'all very soon. Until next time, y'all know what it is. Mr. Mufleh, out.